You are an idiot if you're not watching these 3 stocks for Thursday's trading day. Last night, as always, I gave you one of the biggest stocks in the market today on WKHS before it exploded over 30% today going into market open. But if you missed it, don't worry, because Thursdays are typically the hottest day of the week and tomorrow's top stock looks 10 times better than yesterday's. As always, I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. First up, we have the massive 270% explosion today on EVOK. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, this thing looks absolutely insane for tomorrow and could make a pretty explosive move. This thing found a beautiful area of accumulation here today under $6.70 a share, and it looks like tomorrow that could be an amazing area of support for that next leg to the highs. That being said, I'm going to have to find some good buying pressure off these pullbacks. If it pulls back tomorrow morning over the mid sixes, I want to see big volume buy back up. At that point, look for pullback entries here at the bottom of this range off the trendline support. You have room back overhead all the way to $8.50 with a grand slam range of $10 overhead. Now, this thing looks absolutely insane, but unless it confirms off the bottoms here, I don't like this for tomorrow. Next up, number 2 on the list has some crazy NVIDIA partnership rumors going around here on ticker GRRR. And like I said, there is a NVIDIA partnership rumor going around which could spark some added momentum going into tomorrow's trading day. Now, we're going to have to watch this to the upside because it is testing off its daily trendline resistance overhead, but the only way we can actually watch this tomorrow is if we do find a pivot over this past area of supply. Now, what that's going to look like here is I want to first find strength over $25.50. If we find that strong price action, then over $25.50, we can look for those pullbacks to pull back and get bought back up aggressively somewhere over $24.70. If and when this happens, if we do find that confirmation off those pullbacks on the retest of the breakout level, that is your pullback entry opportunity for the range back overhead all the way to $28 and $30 a share to the upside. Now again, this is a wild looking setup with these rumors going around, but unless it breaks, unless it confirms, no break, no trade. Last but not least, number 3 is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow's trading day, and this thing looks absolutely explosive. This is a low float recent IPO breaking over its listing day price with a clear sky setup overhead. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So do me a massive favor, hit that like button to say thank you, hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now that stock here is the recent IPO on TLRY. Now, being that this is over its listing day's highs, I want to see this confirm off some pullbacks tomorrow over $4.40. So what I want to look for is pullbacks over $4.40. If we start to find some nice volume tomorrow back over $4.40 to confirm those pullbacks, look to risk off $4.40 for the range back overhead through the previous high of $5.11 all the way to the next psychological level overhead to $6 a share. Now, I would maybe consider playing this over the high of day of $5.11 as well, but I much prefer these pullbacks over $4.40. Now, of course, as always, no confirmation, no trade, but this thing does look pretty awesome. To unlock access to my entire stock watch list every morning, every night, to watch me trade these stocks in real time every day with alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial today, and I'll personally walk you through exactly where to go once you get into the community.